Hi guys, we are shooting the acting part of the performance, but suddenly it starts raining. So it's time for the pack up. Let's hurry. 1 minute. Should I go or enjoy the rain? No, I should go. Bye. Mishka, hey, you have to wait. The shot is not ready. Come, Mishka. Now you take rest. After the shot is ready, we will shoot. Wait. And it's brushing time. Mishka loves to brush. Wait. Ready. Hi guys, we plan to shoot the dance sequence today. It is an outdoor shoot, but as you all see, it's heavily raining outside. We are waiting from 4:30 a.m. and now it's almost 6. So I don't think we can shoot in this weather. We have to cancel the shoot. I don't know what happens next. Let's hope for the best. Oh God, I think we are in so much trouble. Mishka, Mishka, no. It's not playtime. Mishka, no. Mishka, baby, no. It's not playtime. Today is the second day of our shoot. As you all know, we cancelled the morning shoot due to bad weather. At last, the weather is looking much more better, but it's almost 11. So it's not possible to complete the whole dance part now. Then we decided to shoot the climax sequence today. And I am feeling very nervous. Actually, this part is full of emotions and very intense. Also, the timing is very crucial. And the most important part is how will I coordinate with Mishka in front of the camera. I am ready. Mishka is also ready. But don't know what happens. I am feeling very low. Okay, for me it is very important to calm down a little bit and focus and praying to God that we can deliver a perfect shot in just one take. So Mishka, let's do it. Come on.
पहले तेरी सांसें मेरी रुक जावे
Okay. Okay, done.
I don't know what to say right now, but I just want to say one line that I can't live without her, Rishka. I love you so much. I love you. You are my world, baby. I really can't live without you. Sorry, guys. I'm not in the state of talking. Sorry.
मेरी उम्र लग जावे तेनू 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 मेरी उम्र लग जावे मेरी उम्र लग जावे
Okay?
Yes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Back, side, front, jerk. Side to side and turn and wave.
जावे लग जावे जावे लग जावे
Hey guys, today is the third day of our shoot. We allocate 2 days to complete the whole shoot, but due to bad weather and rain, it couldn't happen. Actually, we have no time left, so we have to finish the dance part within today. And the sun is just blazing on top of my head. Oh God, it's so hot today. As you see, I can't touch my feet, oh God. But I can't do anything. I have to dance on it. My all hair just got ruined. And I'm sweating and sweating and sweating. Okay, let's forget it. The best part is this is a phenomenal piece of choreography and I just tried to execute it as beautiful as I can. So let's just hope that it goes well and you guys appreciate our effort and shower so much love. Okay, bye. I have to finish the shoot. Oh God, I have a little cut on my knee. Yay! I got a cut on my knee. Actually, I think when a dancer is little injured, he or she can perform better because we don't dance with our feet, we just dance with our soul. So it's okay, no problem. Don't worry guys, I am absolutely fine and I am going to give take 2.
लग जावे लग जावे 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 तेनू मेरी उम्र लग जाए